Hello everyone and welcome to the day 4 of GenAI Bootcamp. I'm Tejal Dhanvijay, a member of Code Social, a vibrant community of developers and tech enthusiasts. We serve over 2000 plus members globally. We are thrilled to see so many eager participants here today, all set to embrace the future of technology. Today we are learning evaluation techniques, deployment and optimization. But before anything, it's an absolute pleasure to welcome Deepak Chawla sir as our instructor and speaker. Deepak is a recognized leader and innovator in the field of AI. He co founded HiDevs and previously worked with the companies like Coffee Beans and AI Planet. He also served as the youngest jury member of SIH 2024. Now let's get started with the session. Over to you, sir.
Great. Okay. Hello everyone. So due to some network issue, I'm trying to switch it the camera. Give me some time. I think after some time I will able to do it. So yeah. So how the things are going? Anyone try to complete or work on the project? So do anyone have any questions, any issues? So please ask me. Happy to answer. We'll take starting 1 to 2 minutes for the questions. So see how the things will go. If you have any questions. Yeah, any questions? Whatever has been done so far. Nope. Okay. 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 No questions. That's great. Let me share my screen. Okay, so basically we have been live the projects on our project section, which is the assignment of this particular workshop. Okay, so that we already talk about that you have to complete the assignment. So build your own GenAI chatbot. Okay, so here you have to create your own GenAI chatbot with your own data, kind of the digital twin. Okay, and this is a description, this is a evaluation criteria. Okay, and once you will complete this project, then we will take your 45 minutes of the interview, how well that you have been done, what are the things that has been done very nicely. Okay, and you have to submit a GitHub repo and demo URL, and submission guidelines are available here. Then only that you will able to eligible for the interview. Okay, and once you will complete your interview, then we will share the certificate of this. And apart from this, I will give you 30-minute mentorship with each of the person who is going to complete this project with the proper interview. I will give 30-minute mentorship to that particular person, whatever the questions that they have regarding their career, regarding their job, whatever, doesn't matter for me at all. But you have to be make sure that you have to complete this one. If you have any issues, then you can just talk to EcoDeepak. We have the resources available here. So there's a whole things is available. Still missing something, then you already have my WhatsApp number. You can just ping me on the WhatsApp. So that's the easy task that you can do, because Nowadays WhatsApp is a like easiest communication medium available in the whole world, so you can do it. I'm sharing the link. Okay, so you have to complete this. Okay, so hope it makes sense. So let's start with the today's session. Let me share my another tab, give me a bit. Okay. Okay, so now I will search something that I already written. Okay. Okay, option one. Okay. Let me search like this. Here it is. So there are the few things, okay, that you have to be make sure yourself when you are building any GenAI application, okay, or any solution that you are building. That's the most important thing that you have to be keep in your mind. Okay, so now we'll talk now. Okay, we'll talk today about that. Okay, so first of all, project. Okay, you are doing the project, so you need a library. So which library that, sorry, you need a language. So which language you are going to use? You are going to use Python. Okay, after that you need a LLM model API. Now you have a condition one. First, OpenAI, like you want to use closed source. Okay, you want to use closed source. Okay, so in that condition, what you can do, you can just go with the OpenAI. Okay, but you have the condition two, where you have to use open source. Okay, so in that open source, how you can able to do the things. So there are the two methods. Either you can host on your own server, okay, your company server, or you will use open source LLM model Grok or together.ai that we see, I think, first webinar itself. Okay, so this is the way that you can able to access closed source. Now LLM model, okay, done. Either OpenAI key, or you will host your own servers, or together.ai or Grok, whatever it is. Okay, so if you will go with the option two, condition two, sorry. Okay, in the condition two, you have to set up everything from the zero. Okay, for the deployment on your server, okay, Azure, GCP, whatever are there. Okay, but it's totally depend how well your company is particularly agree or not. That's the one of the biggest challenge. Okay, so most of the time company is not uh, uh, what I can say is comfortable to host it. Okay, because that's require a lot of resources, that require a lot of other things. So due to that, we need a proper open source platform, hosting platform, open source LLM model hosting platform. With the help of that, we will able to do our work. Got it? So in that case, condition three is the best. Okay, or condition one if your company is already very much eager to do the things with the open AI. Okay, and they are comfortable to share the data with them, whatever the condition that they are working on it. So this is how that your LLM API has been perfectly sorted out. Now we will talk about the library. Okay, now if we will talk about the library, so what will happen in that case? So let's I already okay, here it is. So program language, we talk Python. AI framework, I will suggest LangChain. Okay, now unstructured to structured data, I will suggest go with the unstructured.io. Okay, you can use the llama pass as well, but llama pass sometime giving the limitation on the data. Okay, unstructured.io not do this kind of things. If you want to go with the scraping your data from the website, scraping the website for the data, you can use scrap.ai. Okay, then LLM model, you can use Grok, which have the multiple open source model that I will always prefer. You should use llama 3.1, 2, 3, whatever it is, doesn't matter at all. for the environment where you want to do all these things, so I will prefer either Colab or Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so whatever works for you, you can go for it. After that, which vector DB? So here we sorted out our framework, data from unstructured to structure. Okay, website, okay, that has been done. Okay, LLM model we done, environment we done. Now vector DB, which vector DB? So Chroma and Fires, that's one is the open source. Okay, you can directly use it. Nowadays I am exploring Quadrant as well, so this is also free for the developers, you can use that as well. Okay, so this is how that you can do. After that, you have to use the chunking and splitting, and again chunking and splitting will be the hit and try method. You cannot be say, again I am repeating that we already repeat and so in our previous lectures, that there is a no perfect solution is available for that. So in that category in that category you have to be try, you have to hit and try, trial and error, what we can say. Okay, so this is a way that you can do, and here everything is available in the langchain. Okay, langchain framework, it is available, this is complete here. Okay, and after that you have to be do uh, kind of if we will go here, let me open this particular. Yeah. So data sources is complete, processing, splitting, vector DB, embedding model. Okay. Okay. So we can do the embedding model as well. So I will put it here, embedding model, from where that you will able to take. So Hugging Face, simply you can take from there. Hugging space, next face. Yeah. Hugging Face is there. Okay. So with the help of that you will able to do it. So once the knowledge base has been created, now you have the AI engine, output, prompt template, we know how to do all these things. So this is how that you will able to complete your GenAI solution. Okay, after that, for the API, sorry, for the UI, you can use Streamlit. We already saw Streamlit yesterday. uh 1% only I prefer Gradio, not more than that. You have to use GitHub to push your code. Okay, and connect your GitHub with the Streamlit, that's again free of cost. Source data, now you will ask me, sir, from where we will get the source data? So if you are building some generic source data, okay, or some kind of um, specific use case that you are building, so in that condition you can go on the Chat GPT or the Google Perplexity. There's a lot of the search engines are available nowadays, so you can go over there and search it. But again it will consume a lot of time. Here what I suggest you, build something which, for that you have the data, like your own clone. Okay, you have your own data, you have your resume, you know about yourself, your parents know about yourself. So you have a lot of data about yourself. And what will happen if you will able to create your own clone? That will be the biggest thing that you can be showcased to the people, you can be showcased to your parents, your college professors, okay, your peer group, that I have been built my own clone. Can you do you want to try it? So this will be the, I think, a nice move that you can do, rather than just uh, doing some random kind of the uh, projects which are available on the internet. Okay, so all these things, got it? So this is how that you will able to do it. Now if we will go with the courses websites, so there's a bunch of the courses website. We are also going to be launch few courses soon. Okay, that you can able to do it. So okay, YouTube is there, want to generate a code from prompt. Yeah, if you have the prompt and you want to be make the prompt much better, you can take the help of Chat GPT and Claude. So this is the whole things that you will able to make sure yourself that you are doing a lot of things. Okay, so if you able to do this, then your things, you are able to complete your proper GenAI solution. Okay, so this is the basic things. Now you have everything in your hand. I don't think apart from this that you require anything else. Got it? Now I will go back to the questions. There's a few questions that people have been asked. How do we get this PPT? Yeah, we'll share the PPT in the group. You can join that group. I will share it, or it will be available on the our website of the resources page. I'm not from the technical background and beginner with the Python. No issue. You can start off it. Uh, to reaching somewhere, you have to start. Please don't make yourself that I'm not from technical. I know the basic things. Whatever you know, just start it. That's the one of the biggest thing that you have to do always. Okay, and please provide the resources. Everything is available on the website, so we already put everything on the website, so you can go over there and you can take it there. Okay, so that's the questions. Okay, if you have anything else, then you can ask me. Okay, so go back to the our discussion. Okay, so this is what it is now. One of the biggest challenge currently the companies are struggling, which is the accuracy. Okay, why accuracy? I am saying not single solution, not single problem. There's the three major problems are there. We'll talk about that as well. Okay. Yeah. Three major problems, okay, are available. Okay, so first is accuracy. This is one. Costing, latency. So accuracy means how accurate your chatbot giving the responses. That's it. Getting my point? This is the most like challenging thing currently the companies are facing. Why it's happening, I will give you the in detail. Okay, why? If we talk about machine learning, okay, so machine learning is all about like in numbers 0 or 1. Okay, we are giving the values in 0 1 or between 2 0 to 1. Okay, or 1 to infinite, something like this. Okay, or in the classes. Okay, something like this. But in the case of the generative AI, its name suggesting generative. That means every word that we are generating is based on the probability. Okay, so you not even give the confirmation and the 100% of the surety what the next word model is going to predict. That's the one of the biggest challenge. Okay, that's why on the same question we are always getting the different answers. Okay, that's the like that's the issue that currently not the issue. This is the nature of the generative AI. So what will happen due to this, the nature of predicting the next word on the basis of the probability, due to that the companies are facing a very biggest problem, that how they will able to make sure that our particular chatbot will going to give the good uh, response when we are going to deploy this to the users. Okay, that's the issue. This is one. Okay, now I will talk about the costing. Now you will thinking why costing. I will tell you. Okay, I will tell you with the proof. Hope you know about this particular LLM leaderboard that we talk about. Okay, this is a okay. Where is the pricing? Yeah, see, every model pricing is based on the 1 million token. So input cost, whatever the cost of the your model is input and output, two different parameters are there. So 0.00006 1 million token for this particular amount. Okay, Claude 3 Opus $15 for 1 million token and $75 for output of 1 million token. That means whenever you are giving any data, okay, whatever the prompt that you are giving, whatever the data that you are giving to your LLM model, that will consider the input, and whatever the output that we are getting, that is associated with the token, and token is associated with the pricing. That's why company are struggling to figuring out best solution. Okay, with minimum tokens and with minimum tokens and minimum pricing, and with maximum results or accuracy, whatever you can say. So that's the thing that company is trying to do. if you will increase the token, your cost will increase. Okay, and company is not okay with that. Okay, so that's the one of the biggest challenge. Okay, this is the second, this is first. Now latency, as we already saw, chat gpt response latency is not good. Okay, sorry, my bad, I didn't forget. Yeah, so costing best solution with minimum tokens and minimum pricing with the maximum results. Or if I will increase the token, maximum token, then my pricing will be increased. So that's why companies are facing this challenge as well. Now if we talk about the latency, you know about all this, we talk this one as well. I will show you that graph is already available here. Yeah, lowest latency, see, llama, Nova Micro 1.5, Nova Lite, Nova Pro. Okay, so this is the latency. Fastest model, C. Cheapest model. So this is why that currently companies are just thinking about it. See, context size, cutoff that. Cutoff means the particular model is updated till when. Input output cost, maximum output token, latency and throughput. So this is the concern points for every company when they are talking about this particular kind of thing. So in that situation, you have to take the decision. Okay, and you have to think from the angle that how we are going to be utilize the all resources with the proper manner, then only we will able to do it. Getting my point? So this is how that the things are currently happening in the market. There are a lot of things are available. So if I will say you, there are a lot of puzzle pieces are available in the market, but no one know which is the best puzzle pieces that I can use it. So what they are doing, they are just putting their own solutions with hit and try, then only they will able to know it. So that's why you have to do all these things, and you have to make sure yourself like how well that you will able to do it. Got it? So this is how that's it's work. Now if we talk about the latency is done. Okay, latency, costing and accuracy. Now how you will going to improve it? So we already saw the code yesterday. Okay, so this is a code, okay, where we build everything from the scratch. Okay, streamlit and all these things. Now there are a few libraries are available in the market. I will show you. Okay, so first library is TruLens. Okay, so I'm sharing that. Yeah, here it is. So evaluate and track your LLM application. Evaluate and track your LLM application. So this is what that the currently the companies are using. See how it's work. Build your LLM application, start your TrueLens session. Okay, after that add your feedback function and you will able to get to know how the things are working. So with the help of this, you will able to track how the things are working. Then only you will know what are the best thing has been done and what are the worst thing has been done in my application. Where do I have to make the improvements? What are the things that I have to make much more better? All these things. So how it's going to be happen? Only when you will integrate this kind of the evaluation matrices libraries which are available in the market. Okay, so this is how that you will able to do it. Got it? Now this is not a single one, there are a lot of other libraries are also available. Okay, so this is one. Okay, so I will show you that as well. Before that I will give you the, yeah, see what the things that you will able to know. Context relevance. So what is the meaning of the context relevance? You given the question or the query, who is a founder of the HiDevs, and the particular chunk, whatever the chunk is coming from the your vector db is something which is not relevance with your query. Okay, so with the help of the context relevant matrix, you will able to know that particular thing. Ground nets. Okay, ground net means you have been written 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Okay, we know 2 plus 2 equal to 4 and your model has been predict 2 plus 2 equal to 3. Then we will compare 4 with the 3 and see how well that has been done. So that's how that you will able to do. Answer relevance again, whatever the answer has been predicted by the LLM model. Okay, you have to compare that answer with the available answers in your particular application. So this is how that you will able to do it. Harmfulness, are there any responses that have the toxicity or some like uh, unusual words that has been used by the LLM model, language mismatch, fairness in the answer, biasness in the answer. So all these kind of things that you will able to track with the help of this is one library. Now we have one more. Okay, so Lanchen evaluation given everything already. Okay, so let's see this one, comparing chain outputs. So I will show you there's a few things they already has been done. Okay, string, I think criteria evaluation. Yeah, this is. Again, they have their own relevance, correctness, coherence, harmfulness. So this is how that you have to do all these things. Okay, so see, evaluation criteria is there. You have to load the evaluation criteria, you have to give the criteria is equal to consciousness, and after that you have to do this proper prediction and the input and see the criteria is consistent, which means the submission should be blah 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 blah. Okay, so this is a way that you will able to do it. So making a project, this is good, very good. Making a project is good, but making a project or the GenAI solution in the terms of the good accuracy, then only your solution is going to be acceptable in the company. Okay, if you are not able to uh, give the proper results, okay, in your application, then the things will not work. Okay, so that's why you have to track your things properly, then only you will able to do it. Got it? So this is second. Now there is one more tool. Okay, sooner we are going to launch the course for that as well. Currently we are building, which is Agile. Okay, that's also very good. That will give you the everything. I will show you. Okay, give me a bit. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. Okay, let me give you the image. That will help you. See, so this is a way that things are. See, total cost. Okay, see, total cost, latency, model versus token throughput. So this is a way that you will able to analyze how well your particular LLM model behaving on the production. Okay, this is one image. Now I have one more image. See, again, this is a query, this is the output. They will say each query latency, and again total tokens as well. Currently it is missing, but yeah, most of the time it is there. So this is a way that you will able to track your model performance, and which is very crucial when you are building a solution for your company. Okay, that's very very important. Okay, if you are thinking no, I will build it on the this Streamlit and it will going to be work, no, it is not going to be work. Okay, so this is context, this is your system, this is the context, this is the output. So you will able to see how the things are working. Okay, and that will help you a lot while debugging it. Okay, that will help you a lot when you are, when I am talking about the production ready application, this is what that's needed. Okay, you cannot be going to ignore all these kind of things. Okay, and things will not expectable when you are working with the Streamlit. That is good for POC, but that not good for the industry level projects. Okay, so you have to be take care very very about your evaluation and all these things, and I personally refer you can go with the Agile. So this is how that you will evaluate, and then on the basis of the evaluation you will change the particular library. Okay, LLM model, vector DB, you will research it, which is the best model that I can use for my use case. So this is all the things that you have to be make sure yourself that you should know. Okay, and when you will know, when then only you will able to take a decision, and that decision is not going to be happen. Okay, it's not going to be happen without human being. So human being is mandatory. Without human beings this is not going to be happen. So don't worry about it that you are going to, your job is going to be like, yeah, no, there is nothing is kind of this is going to be happen. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that particular thing. Okay, so this is about the evaluation criteria. Now we'll go with the very interesting topic that's currently is very hot topic as well. Okay, so people are talking about a lot. Okay, I will also talk about it, which is knowledge graph. Okay. Okay, knowledge graph, right? So so there are the two different kinds of the discussions are going on in the market currently. Okay, so first discussion, when to use vector db, when to use knowledge graph. Okay, so it's totally again based on your use case. Okay, I will repeat what are the different vector dbs are available. The first vector db, sorry, what are the different dbs are available, I will repeat again, I have no issue. Okay, so DB, the first DB is relational DB. Okay, relational DB is there. Okay, which include MySQL. Okay, then we have NoSQL. Okay, non-relational DB. Then we come up with the vector DB, which going to save the data in the form of matrix. Okay, now we have the knowledge graph. So knowledge graph needed, sorry, I will write kg. Okay, so not kgf, kg. Okay, so knowledge graph needed a proper different kind of the vector, different kind of the database. But when to use knowledge graph, that's the challenging thing. That's the currently everyone is thinking about it. So I will make it very easy and I will try to explain it so you will able to take a good decision. So as you can see on the image, okay, on your screen, knowledge graph is a kind of the database which based on the graph data structures. Okay, and the vector database is based on the matrices. Okay, in the matrix format. Okay, matrix and dimensional matrix with the numbers. But knowledge graph is not something like this. Knowledge graph is totally different. It's work in a totally different environment and the use case. Got it? So in that case, what you have to do and how you are going to choose it. So I will tell you. When you are working any solution, first you have to look into it, what the type of the particular knowledge graph, sorry, what the type of the your data. If your data has a connectivity, if your data has a relational, okay, or relation between the particular point, then only you have to use the knowledge graph. If the data don't have the any relation between it, then there is a no need of to doing all these things. Now what is the relation that I'm talking about? Okay, I will tell you that as well. Okay, knowledge graph. Okay, so this is a relation. See, oh, I think we have the much better, yeah, this one. See, okay, go with this one. I will open this in the this here. See, so this is the connection. When your data has a connection, something like this. Mona Lisa, okay, painted by this is about likes. So this single node have the different other nodes has been connected via the edges. This is a graph. Okay, this is the architecture of the graph. This is how that we build the graph in the DSA. That is this way you will able to know. Okay, you will able to know. Okay, if this is a particular kind of the relation is available in my data, in that category only you have to use the knowledge graph. Okay, that doesn't mean that you can go directly and use it. No, it's not going to be worked like this. So this is one example. Okay, we'll go with some other example as well. Yeah, this is also one more great example. Okay, let's open this one. So Steve Jobs, inventor of iPhone, successor Tim Cook, successor of Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs, founder and CEO of Apple, is a person. So this is also person. Tim Cook is also person. Jeff is also person. Tim Cook is connected with the Jeff. Tim Cook is CEO of the Apple. Apple product. So see how many nodes has been, how many other nodes are connected with the Apple. A lot of. Same with the Steve Jobs, same with the California. Apple is located in California, Beats company located in the California. California is a space place. Okay, so this is how that's the things has been connected. If this kind of the particular pattern that you are noticing in your data, then only you have to take the decision for your knowledge graph database. Okay, now your question will become which particular database that we are going to use, okay, to store the knowledge graph. Okay, so for that I have that answer as well. So that will Neo4j. So this is only one particular database is available currently in the market. So Neo4j, if you will click on it, okay, I will open it. So we can get started free, start free. So login. I think have the ID. No, I don't have ID. Okay, we'll create it, no issue. Okay, so let me share my this screen, login with Google. I will login it, continue. So I log in on Neo4j. So there's again, you can use freely for developers. Few instances are free of course that you can use easily. Okay, we will create instance. See, free is there. You can use this one. Select. Okay. We'll copy this if required. Download and continue. Okay. It's taking 1 or 2 minutes. Let me refresh the page. Let's wait. I think taking time. Import new data source. Okay, CSV, SQL. Before that, we have to create the instance. Let's wait. It's taking too much time today. Yeah, so that's done. Connect. Okay, so we can able to connect it. So matrices are there. Okay, query. So nodes and all this are available. So we'll go try with the movie data. Okay, okay. Okay, so we need to import data source. Important data is now preview for 1 second. They are given some data now. No. Okay, no issue. We'll download CSV. Okay, sample CSV for the knowledge knowledge graph database in Neo4j. Example data sets are available already. We'll go with this. So yeah, so we'll go here. Okay, data set is available here. We'll go click on it. Oh, I need a password, so let me open this here. So username is recommendation. Will username is recommendation. Password is recommendation. Connect. They are connecting, still connecting. Okay, let's go. Okay, never. Let's go. Connection. Okay, database is copy link. We'll go with the HTTPS URL. Database name is username is recommendation. Our password is also recommendations. Connect. Got it? Yeah. Now we have this. Okay, so now we'll run this one. We can close this, and we'll try to run this one or this one. Yeah. Now you will able to see how the things are connected. Movie scene, something like this that we can do, or movie we can do that as well. See, so this is how that's the everything is connected here. If we will go and copy this query, that query is available here. Okay, so example query is available here. I copied that query. I will put it here and then I will run it. Let's see. Oh, it's not working. Okay. Okay. We'll ignore this one. Yeah. Actor. So see. So this is how your knowledge graph is looks like. So you will able to get to know how the things are connected. Okay, see. Properties. Okay, properties, keys. Okay, you will go end to end, then you will able to know much more about it. Okay, you can see in the table row. So this is a very basic overview that I am giving you, so you will able to know, okay, about the things, okay, about the tools, what the tools are available in the market. If you are not going to know all these tools, then the things will not work out when you need a solution. Okay, if you know about all these solutions, or when you know about all these techniques and approaches, then only you are become to use it in your solution. then only you will able to give the suggestions when the meeting is going on in your company and you are saying, sir, we can use this is what that. So that will be very helpful when you know about the things. Got it? So this is a way that you can do it, the knowledge graph things. Okay, so that's it for today. Now it's a Q&A part. If anyone have any questions, please go ahead. And before that, I am repeating one more time that you have to complete the project on our website. Everything is available here. You have to look into it. You have to submit it. After that, we will take your 45 minutes of the interview. On the basis of that, we will create your proper score and you can start your generative AI proper skills here. Your journey you can start from here, and also you will get the certificate once you will complete the project. Okay, so that's the mandatory thing that everyone have to be do, then only you will able to eligible to get a certificate. Got it? So I hope you enjoy it. If not, please let me know. I am happy to improve myself whatever the things that you don't happy with me. Thank you so much. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, there is one question. I'm a Kotlin developer. So can you tell me how I can use Go KPI Android application? I know how to do it with Gemini because Gemini has a dog with the. Okay, so I think Kotlin have the some packages available. With the help of that, you can able to use it. So let me search me as well. The best thing that you can use Langchain. I don't think the Langchain have the support of the Kotlin, so you have to see how you can use this one. Okay, so you have to see the Langchain Kotlin integration. So this is a way only that you will able to do it. Okay, so with the help of the particular framework that you can take the help. Okay, and what is the last date of the submission? Last date of the submission, I will say before end of this whole week. Okay, you can take your time. Okay, you can take your time. So yeah, so you have to see. Okay, you have, what is the last? Yeah, I give the answer of this. Okay, so this is how that you can do Langchain Kotlin integration. So that will help you. Or Llama index is there. Okay, Kotlin Llama index wrapper will be there, so you can take the look into that as well. So that will also help you. I am sharing that two links as well. Yeah. Anyone have any other doubt? And this is a website. Yeah. Anyone else? Okay. No questions. Yeah. So that's it from my side. Over to you, core social team.
Thank you very much, Deepak sir, for the session. Everyone, we have come a long way. We have only one day left now. Attending the lives all 5 days makes you eligible for certification. We have dropped the attendance form link in the chat box. Please make sure to fill out ASAP as it will be closed in few minutes. We are glad that you guys have joined us today, and thanks to the Deepak sir for leading this session. Thank you very much.